Are you tired of financial struggles? Do you ever feel like no matter how much you earn, it vanishes before the month ends? Like you're running on a financial treadmill, working hard but getting nowhere? You're not alone. Millions of people live paycheck to paycheck, buried in debt and anxious about their future. But here's the good news. You can change your financial story. All it takes is a simple step-by-step plan to take charge of your money. That's where this 5-step blueprint to financial freedom comes in. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building long-term security and peace of mind through smart, intentional actions. Step 1. Track your spending. Know where your money goes. The first and most important step toward financial freedom is awareness. You can't change what you don't understand. For the next 30 days, write down every single expense, no matter how small. That coffee run? Log it. Streaming subscriptions? Include them. Groceries, rent, dining out, impulse buys, track it all. You can use a basic notebook, a simple spreadsheet, a free budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard. Why is this powerful? Because you'll likely uncover hidden spending leaks. Those $5 coffees and $15 subscriptions add up fast. Once you see the full picture, it becomes easier to adjust your habits. Step 2. Eliminate bad debt. Break free from the burden. High-interest debt, like credit cards and payday loans, is one of the biggest roadblocks to financial progress. The interest eats away at your income and delays your dreams. Here's how to tackle it. Snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first. As each one is cleared, roll that payment into the next debt. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. Avalanche method. Focus on debts with the highest interest rates first. This saves more money in the long run. Choose the method that works best for you. The key is to start. Automate your payments if possible, and avoid adding new debt while you're paying things down. Once you eliminate bad debt, you'll have more money each month to save, invest, and build wealth. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Your financial safety net life is unpredictable. Medical bills, job loss, urgent repairs, these curveballs can wipe out your progress if you're not prepared. That's why your next goal is to build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Start small. Set a goal of $1,000 for basic emergencies. Gradually increase it until you have full coverage. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account, not your checking account. And remember, this fund is for real emergencies only, not vacations or impulse buys. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and protects your future self from falling back into debt. Step 4. Invest consistently. Grow your wealth. Over time, saving money is great, but investing is what builds long-term wealth. The sooner you start, the better. Thanks to compound interest, even small, regular contributions can grow into a sizable nest egg. You don't need a financial degree to begin. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs, retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA, apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Fidelity. Set up automatic contributions, even if it's just $25 a month to start. Over time, increase the amount as your income grows and debt decreases. Remember, the goal isn't to time the market, it's to spend time in the market. Step 5. Create multiple income streams. Boost your earning power. Relying on a single income stream is risky in today's economy. Layoffs, inflation, and rising costs can quickly derail your financial goals. The solution? Diversify your income. Here are a few ideas to explore. Start a side hustle, freelancing, tutoring, or graphic design. Sell digital products, ebooks, templates, or courses. Monetize your knowledge, coaching, consulting, or YouTube. Invest in income-generating assets, rental properties, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing. Even an extra $200 to $500 a month can make a huge difference, helping you save faster, invest more, and reach your goals sooner. Final thoughts. Start small, stay consistent, and take action. Today, Financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about intentional choices and small, consistent actions over time. You don't have to do it all at once. Pick one step, just one, and start today. Track your spending for a week. Make an extra payment on your credit card. Open a high-yield savings account. Research index funds or side hustle ideas. Every smart decision brings you closer to the life you want, one with less stress, more security, and true freedom. Remember, financial freedom or discipline plus consistency plus time, you've got this, one step at a time.